So guys, here is how to register for this Soundness Testnet registration, and here is why you should not miss on this. It's building on Blockchain, and they are partnering with Walrus. So you see $10 billion in revenue by 2013, and they have 400 active companies, then 160 investors, $4 billion total funding. It choke. Then 20 million ZKP infra users. Then ETH 2 million ETH layer 1 proof count. Then 5 million transaction made by ZK login on Su. This is massive, guys. So here is the backed by the best, backed up by Su, Walrus, and you know how Walrus did. You know Walrus tax was very simple, but it's printed so hard. And you see, I don't know which platform is this. I'm not getting this particular logo. So, but we are familiar with Su and Walrus. So now to register for this Soundness Testnet, what you need to do, first of all, let's go to their this is their page. If you click on this page, you have this Soundness Testnet registration link. Do mind to click on this link. I'll drop the link to see this page, this particular page you're seeing on the screen. I will drop it in the description box of this video. So once you click on the link, you are open with this page. Then click on this soundness.xyz and you'll be seeing this particular page. Enter your email here and click on get early access. So that's the first thing first. So the next thing is to generate your key. So we are going to go to this I will leave this page open. I've opened it in another tab so you can see same thing. But because I want to be able to copy all of this code that we want to generate, so that is why I left it open on this tab. So I'm just going to click on this this new tab, and the first thing you need to do to be able to generate this code, this key here, is to create a repository. For those that are not familiar with GitHub, you have to have an account on github.com first. So the moment you have an account on github.com, then you can copy and paste the link to your browser and log into your GitHub. Then you have this page. Because I already have an account on GitHub, that is why the page is opening for my account. So now that you have the account on GitHub, just click on these 3 lines and you click on home. So let's see what we have on the home page. It's still loading. So on this home page, you are seeing top repositories. I said it because I said it earlier that I already have an account on GitHub, and these are the repositories I've created initially. So for the case, for the sake of this video, this particular Soundness registration, I have to create a new repository. So I'll click on new. Then I'll enter the repository name. I can just enter Soundness. Okay, so we have this Soundness. It said Soundness is available. If you are not saying available, then it means that you have to change the name of your repository. Then you can select public. Anyone on the internet can see your repository. You choose who can see your repository. So I'm gonna click on private because I don't want anyone on the internet to see my repository. So then I will select add a readme file. Then I will now click on create repository. So it's loading now. So now I've created the repository. Now the next thing is to generate code space. To generate the code space, you see the moment I created the repository, it brought me to this page. Then I can now click on code. Then code space. Then create code space on main. So I will allow it load and create my code space. So at the end of all of this creation, generating code, you are going to complete the registration on their Discord account. So we are completing everything in this video. Make sure you follow up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, so you don't miss out on amazing updates like this. And also be on my Telegram community and you won't miss out on any of my updates at all. So this is the code space terminal. So what I will do next is to copy and paste all of this code that you are seeing. This code here, from this number 1 here, I'll copy it. Then I'll go back to my code space. So you are seeing. Then I'll paste the first code I copied. And I'll paste it here. So let me paste. So here is it. I first of all pasted the first code and I'll click on enter. So after I clicked on enter, it will generate the terminal for the first code. Now I'll go back and copy and paste the second code as well. So this is the second code. I'll copy it. I'm copying it directly from their site. That is why I left this page open, so that it will be easier. So I've pasted the second code. I'll click on enter. Okay, did that work? Let me see. So now I'll go ahead and copy the third code as well. Then I'll come back here. Let me scroll to my... So this second code has been generated. And I can now go back to this third one, which is this one. Let me copy it. Then go back and paste. Then enter. So you will give it some time to generate all of those to generate the code accordingly. So guys, I'm allowing the code run. As you can see, I've copied the 5th code, I think. So I'll just allow the code to generate to run. Then paste the last code, you see. I just have to show this. So there is nothing I'm doing here other than to wait. The moment you enter the code, you click on enter, it will do all of this automatically by itself. Then you just have to wait and watch till it brings out the next command to enter the next key. So this is how you run all of those code one by one till you are able to generate your public face and all of that. So let me just show you so that you guys can see. It's still running here. So we are waiting. So now you can see this one, installation complete. Then I'll enter the next command. The next command is this Soundness update. Then I'll copy that too and paste here. Then enter. So it has been updated. You are already using the latest version, okay? Then I think this is the last code. Generate key. Name my key. So paste. So here you are seeing enter password for secret key. Here you create a password that only you can remember. You are saying enter password for secret key. Take note. So create your password and you continue. Let me do that. So for this enter password and confirm password, you are saying it's not bringing out the password. You just have to type. So meaning that you need to know what you typed. You see, enter password, confirm password. So now it has generated new key pair, my key. This key, I will copy it. Now let's go to their main page and see. So generate key, I've seen the key. Now to view your seed face, click on seedness. Okay, I will copy this and go to the, then save your face and public key. That public key is what I'm going to go to the Discord to go and submit. So now let me go ahead and save my public key, then generate the face key. I'll copy this. This is the public key. This is what I'm sending to their Discord. I will have to copy it. So here I want to view my face key. Then I'll go back to the platform. You see, to view face key, copy this. Then I'll come back here and paste it here. What will pop up after this, after I paste it here, is the face key. So let me save that as well. You save your face key, you save your public key. So I've completed the face key generating. So I've saved it somewhere. It will ask you for your password when trying to generate the key, the password that you created. So now is to, I've saved my face key and public key. Then I'll go to their Discord and submit my public key, not face key, the public key, just like your wallet address. So I'll go to their Discord now and submit that on their testnet page. Then I'll continue. So guys, the last task is to submit your public key on their Discord server. But to do that, you have to be verified. And I think their verification, you can select either 1, 2, or 3 verification. Whichever, okay, this server does not have a captcha role set. We cannot unlock the server for you. So their verification is having, shall I say congested or what? There are too many requests on this server. Please wait 31 seconds before trying again. This is how you have to hold on to ensure that you verify. Even myself, I've not been able to verify, but I'm going to hold on because this testnet registration is closing very, very soon. So as soon as you are seeing this video, make sure you conclude the testnet registration so that you can be eligible for airdrop. So the moment you are able to verify the testnet server, you come to this testnet access. So you see, you just you see, because I'm not verified, I cannot paste anything here. The moment I'm verified, I'll just copy and paste my public key here and submit. That's all. So that's the last task. I hope you guys are able to complete this as soon as you're seeing this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell and you'll be notified of my back-to-back updates. Join my Telegram community so you don't miss out on any of my updates at all. See you guys at the next one and bye for now.